Little songbird, give me a song. I'm a busy man and I can't stay long. I've got clients to call, I've got orders to fill, I've got walls to build, I've got riots to quell, and they're giving me hell back in the Hades. Hey, little songbird, cat got your tongue. Always a pity for one so pretty and young. When poverty comes to clip your wings and knock the wind right out of your lungs, hey, nobody sings on empty.
Strange is the call of this strange man. I wanna fly down and see his head. I want a nice soft place to land. I wanna lie down.
Hey, little songbird, you got something fine. You shine like a diamond down in the mine, and the choice is yours if you're willing to choose. Sing as you got nothing to lose, and I could use a canary.
Suddenly, nothing is as it was. Where are you now, Orpheus? Wasn't it gonna be the two of us? Weren't we birds of
Hey, little songbird, let me guess. He's some kind of poet, and his petty lands give you your hand. He'll give you his hand to mouth. You write your poem when the power is out. Hey, why not fly south for the winter? Hey, little songbird, look all around you. See how the vipers and vultures surround you, and they'll take you down. They'll pick you clean if you stick around. Such a desperate scene. See people get mean when the chips are down.
Songbird versus rattlesnake.
what is it?
Eurydice was a hungry young girl.
Your ticket.
Hades gave her a choice to make. A ticket to the underworld.
Orpheus, my heart is yours. Always was and will be. It's my guts I can't ignore. Orpheus, I'm hungry. in her shoes, in her skin. You can have your principles when you've got a belly full, but hunger has a way with you. There's no telling what you're gonna do when the chips are down. Now that the chips are down, what you gonna do when the chips